Hello and welcome. This time Excel BI Excel Challenge 152. Something about word removal. Let's take a look. So here it is. Okay, we need to remove the word by the given index. So first I will do a text split of those words. The column delimiter is a comma with a space. So we have the words here and we need to pass out those words. So yeah, let's do it that way. So W for words, then put it in here, SP for splitting, as I'm usual naming this that way. Now we have here in N for the number of words given by the columns of SP. So we have a 5, and then I will do a sequence of 5 of N, and then I'll match S for that attribute, and then I will match search for S inside this, and also add a comma, and then I will search for S and comma. And if I have an error, if number, why is it not working? Is number, is number, if true then nothing, and else I will have S, and then I will do CHOOSECOLS with SP. Do I need to filter this out? Let's do it that way to ignore all the blanks. All those blanks. Oh no, then I'll do an error. So yeah, and then I'll CHOOSECOLS from SP, and then I will text join it together. Here, so here, as you can see, it's the same. It is also possible to track down. If error for nothing. So, and then, as usual, our map function. So map all those words, lambda W against this. And we have, oh, why is there's something out here? So why isn't this working? It worked. I see. I also need to map the index. My fault. I4 index, put it in here. Now it should be the same. But for this one, it isn't the same. Let's take a look. Dapper isn't in here. But Dapper is removed. I see. 11, so it takes the I need to search for yeah, no, it's 2. So what did we do here? So aside from this map, we split the word into separate columns. We counted how many columns we have, so that we can count how many words we have in here. We did a sequence of all those words. Then we checked if there is if this word is in the index. We did it that way that we checked for comma space the number comma, and therefore we needed to add also for the index a leading and then trailing comma, so at the beginning and at the end. Then we checked if there is a number, then we made nothing. If there wasn't a number, if there was this number, then we created an error. And if there wasn't this number, then we filled in the sequence number, so that we can fill, so that everywhere where we had this number in the index, we had an error, and else we had this number. And then with TOROW and this 3, we filtered out all those errors. And then we did the CHOOSECOLS. CHOOSECOLS chooses a column of an array, and we selected the split from the splitted words, that column that aren't in the index. So with this TOROW and so on. Also an if error, because there is here the opulent and trivial where everything is filtered out, and we would have an error then, and so on. Also the mapping and so on as usual. And so this challenge is solved. Thank you for your attention. Oh no, sorry. Let's check what the others did. I expect some very short answers, because I think you can do this. Here this is a little bit shorter, also shorter. Yeah, so my answer, so from Bo, array to text, so my answer is a little bit longer, but never mind. Thank you finally for your attention, and see you next time.